Welcome to this beautifully maintained 4-bedroom, 2-bath ranch home situated on a spacious 0.82-acre lot. This property features clean, contemporary lines, low-maintenance vinyl siding, and a welcoming covered front porch, ideal for morning coffee or evening relaxation. Step inside to discover an open concept layout filled with natural light, perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. The kitchen boasts stylish cabinetry and a central island that flows seamlessly into the dining and living areas. The large primary suite offers a walk-in closet and a beautifully appointed full bath. 3 additional bedrooms provide ample space for family, guests, or a home office. Outside, the expansive yard is perfect for gardening, playtime, or outdoor gatherings, and a handy storage shed offers a space for tools and equipment. Enjoy the benefits of newer construction, energy-efficient features, and peaceful surroundings, all just a short drive from town conveniences. This darling home is waiting for you. Call Rob Thomas for all the details.